Jai Hind students. So today we are going to solve how to find the root 2 value under root 6.8 under root 0.8. So let us start. So first suppose I need to solve the root 2 value, then I will write here under root 2 I will solve. How to write? There is a process to write it. You should make it like that. And after that we will find out how many decimals we want. For example, after decimal 3 digit or after decimal 4 digit, how many value we want, that we need to calculate. Suppose I need to find it out after decimal 3 digit. Now I write after decimal 1 2. Suppose after decimal 3 digit I want, then I will write 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Why I am writing, I will explain you now. Now see, first I need to find out the value of 2. Now how to find out the value of 2? So first we should, as already we discussed in our previous video, that how to find out the perfect square. It should be in perfect square. Whatever value I am writing here, same value I should write it here. First we will start with 1, because if I am taking 2, then 2 square it will be 4. That is not possible. Now once after taking here, now I will make it in pair. So how to make it? 2 is alone, so I will make it 1. After that 0 0 0. First thing we should make it in pair. Second, 1, how much 1 I will get here? 1. So 1 1, hit this number and this number. Means your divisor and quotient both should be same every time. 1 into 1 1. Now I will minus 2 minus 1 1. Now the value will go down. In normal mathematics it will come only 1, but in square root it will come pair into pair. Now double 0 it will come. Now 1 plus 1, this number and this number I will add. 1 plus 1, how much it will become? 2. Now this number and this number should be same. Now here decimal is there, decimal will go up. Now after that, this empty place and this place, both the numbers should be same. Now how to solve it? How much I will take? So for that I should take the 2 table. Understanding? So how much I will take? So first I will write, suppose I am writing at 1. So 21 into 21, 22 into 22, 23, suppose I am writing here 3, then I should write here 3. Suppose I am writing here 4, then I should write here 4. Now I think you are able to understand. By seeing the right side, I think it is clear for you that why I have written all these tables and everything. So it will be for our quick calculation. So now let's take the next. Suppose I am taking 24. Here I am placing here 4. Then here how much number I will place here? 4. Now let us start. 4 4 is 16, 6 1, 4 2 is 8, plus 1 9, 96. If I am taking 5, so as you are able to see here, oh sorry I didn't write. Suppose I am taking here 5, then how I will start here? Then I will write here 5, then here also I will write here 5. If I multiply 25 into 5, then value will be more. What is the answer? I got 4. Now I will drop this double 0. Now 24 plus 4, how much answer I will get here? 28. 24 plus 4, this number and this number will add. 24 plus 4, 28. Now this number and here, both the numbers should be same. Now what is the value I will write? 28 into 1. So let us start. 281 to 1, 281. 280. See here, are you able to? I think you are understood. 22, 2, then here also 2. Here 3, then here also 3. So what is the value? 400. So how much value I will take here? So it is 564. That is more. So which value I will take? Then I will take 281. So how much? 1 into 1. So I will write here 1. Then I will write here also 1. 281 into 1. How much I will get? 281. Now if I am minusing the value, then how much I will get here? I will get 9. 9 minus 8 I will get here 1. Now 3 minus 2 I will get here 1. Up to here it is clear. Now again I will drop the 0 0. Now next 281. 281 plus 1. Now how much answer I will get? 281 plus 8. Now how much answer I will get? 282. Now again here and this is space. The number should be same. Then only I can multiply. 281, 282. Now see how I written the table. 282, 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 4 into 4, 5 into 5. So at what value I am going to get various value? So already I calculated, that is at 5 or 4. Let us check. 11900. 11900. So which number is less? So this number is correct. So how much I will take? 2824 into 4. Already I have written, but in examination you should calculate. 2824 means if I am writing here 4, then here I should write here 4. And if I multiply, how much I am going to get the answer? 11296. Now if I minus it, how much I am going to get here? 4, 9 minus 9 0, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and remaining. Now it will never solve. If we will try to solve it also, it is never ever, we will never get the end value, because root 2 is your irrational number. Irrational number means what? Non-terminating and non-repeating value. Now let us go to the next. This is a type 1 problem. Next type problem, now suppose I need to find 6.8. Now let us start then. 6.8, same process. I will make one line, I will make it pair. Now up to how much decimal we want? So for that what I will do? 00 00. Let us make the pair. Now in this case how I am going to make the pair? So it is depend upon us. Now how do you think that you have any idea how I will solve it first? Yes. First I will make the pair. First pair, 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 and we can make even here also pair. Now how do we start it? That first I will start from the 6. So I start 2 2 ja 4. Then what is the answer? Here I got remainder 2. Decimal is there, as you are able to see here, decimal will go up. So decimal is there, decimal will go up. Now 2 plus 2, how much I got here? 4. Now this number should be same, and if I will bring down, then it will become 280. It will come in pair. Now 280 I got. Now 4 it is written over there. Now I need to apply here the table 41. If I am taking 1, then here also it should be 1. Here it is 1, then here also it is 1. It is 2, then here also it is 2. So see here I have written the 4 table continuously. Now you tell me 280 where I will get the nearby value. So see here 225 I will get the nearby value. Yes. Because 276 if I am taking 276 I can take it. Because I am getting less than that. So at what time I am getting 276? At 6 hours. If I write here 6, then there 6. Then what is the value? 276. Now what is the answer? I am getting 4. Here it will be 0. Now again here will come 00. As you are able to see. Now what is the rule I told you? 46 plus 6 again. 46 plus 6. What will be the answer here? 52. 46 plus 6, 52. Now again here the space is empty. Now this value and this value should be same. Now again I should write 521 into 522 like that tables I need to write. Now here suppose I started from 0. Why I started from 0? Because 521 into 1 521. But what is the number? 400. Now I am not able to calculate. Now what I will do? I will start from 0. 0 is 0. Then I will get here answer. 520 into 0. How much I will get here answer? 0. Now if I minus how much I will get? 400. Now 520 plus 0. How much I will get answer? 520 itself. Now here the number is there. Again after that. Now since I am able to write it, now next what it will come? Next 00 it will come down. Step by step. Now this number and this number should be same. So for that what I have written the next table I have written over there. As you are able to see here, 5 2 0 1 into 1, 0 2 into 2, 0 3 into 2. Now let us check which number it is coming nearby. 40,000. Tell me 40,000. At what point it is coming here? 36449. At 7. If I am writing 7, I will write here 7. What I will going to get here? 3. So I will write here 3 6 4 4 9. If I minus here 1, 9 minus 5 5. Here it will get 5. Here we will get 3. If I will continue, I will never get the answer, but the process will carry on. I hope that you understood the second time. Now the third time that we are going to solve, as that you already it is written over there 0.8. Now how to solve it 0.8? So the process remains same 0.8. Now what is the initial? I told you 0.8. After that, how many decimal we want? It's up to us. We need to make in pair 0. 0 0 means basically okay. Up to here it is completed. Now let us make up to 0 0. It's up to us. First, before decimal, how many numbers are there? 1. After that, we can make pair, and so on. Suppose pair also we can make. It's up to us. Now let us calculate. First is 0. Now how much square it will become 0? 0 ja. 0 0 ja 0 0. Now decimal is there. I can write here 0. 8 will come down. Sorry, I already made it pair, so 8 will come down. 0 plus 0, how much I will get the answer? 0. Now next, the space is empty. Now here, how much I will place? So I will get near 80. That value will come. How much I will get the place? I will get the nearby value that I will get here 80. Now for that how I will calculate? That is easy. 6 6 is 36, 7 7 is 49, 8 8 is 64. After that 9 9 is 81. So at what time I will solve? 8 8 is 64. Now here I got reminder how much I will get here? 6. 9 minus 6 you will get here 3. Sorry, you will get here 6, and here we get 7 minus here you got 16. Now again after that, here already it is pair. Now these two pair will come down, it will become 0 0. It is written over there. Now after that, now 8 plus 8, same process. 8 plus 8, it will become 16. Now space is again empty. Now this number should be same, and it should be able to nearby divide. Now let us start the table. 161. 161 into 1, 162 into 2, 163 into 3, 164 into 4 and so on. Now you tell me 16,000. Where it will get nearby? It is 16,1610. It is coming after. So at what time I will check? I will check 161521. So I will write here 9. Here also I will write here 9. So what I will get to value? 1521. If I minus how much I am going to get here? 9. 9 plus 2 is 7 and so on. Again after that 0 is there. So if I take the number again double 0. Now again 169 plus 9 I will do. So how much answer I will get? 1 here 18 8 1 7. Now again I will start from 1781. Again I will start the table and I will carry on. I hope that 3 types of problems are that you understood how to take the value, because it is very much important and from that only you can expect the question. These are the types of the questions. Now after that, if you have successfully understood, now next type of problem is there that you can expect in your examination. Let me explain you. That is related to Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet. Now what they will do? They will provide you one value. You should able to find it out. Now first let me explain you what does mean by Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet is applicable only in case of right angle triangle. This one is known as hypotenuse. I think you know. This one is known as perpendicular. This one is known as your base. And one formula is there, that is hypotenuse Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So one value they will provide you, remaining two value you should find it out. So already Pythagoras has invented the formula, that is the formula is 2m. Next is your m square minus 1. Next value is m square plus 1. These are the values over here. Now in your examination they will provide you question, find Pythagoras triplet of, they will provide one of the member. For example of member, they will write as one member. For example it will be 8. Now how to solve this value? The process is very simple. One of the member is 8. Now how I will solve? 2m is equal to 8. I will write 2m is equal to 8. Now always remember here m is an integer. Let me write here m belongs to integer. M is what? M is always integer. Don't take in decimal anymore. Now how to solve it? M is equal to 8. M is equal to, if I take 8 by 2, how much I will get? M is equal to 4. What is the value of m I got? 4. Next option, that will be your m square minus 1. M square minus 1 I will get here 4 square minus 1, because 4 m value 4 what? 4 square 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1 15. Next, what is the value? First 2m I calculated. Now second m square minus 1 I calculated. Third is what? M square plus 1. M square plus 1. Now I will start here. 4 square plus 1. 4 square 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Now by this what you can say here? What are the sides over there? So the sides you can say 8. Next is your 15. Next is your 17. 3 sides of the triangle that you got. Now sir, after finding out where we can use it and what is this? So dear student, 8, 15 and 17, always remember a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. So what will be your longest? 17. Hypotenuse will be your 17. Next, this one 8 and 15. One side can be perpendicular, one side can be base. It depends upon us. The question will come like this. I hope that you understood. In this pattern the question you can expect. Next, same logic. They can provide the question in a different way also. It is written over there. Same find Pythagoras triplet of the member. It is written over there. Now suppose the same rotated. They rotated the question. Find Pythagoras triplet of. Suppose they written one of the, or else let me take the smallest member. Smallest member is 8. Now sir, are you able to, as you are able to find it out like this, every cases we will get it is possible or not. Let us check. Smallest member is 8 they are saying, and find the Pythagoras triplet. Now how we will calculate? Now first we need to check it whether it is possible or not. So how I will check that? Smallest member is 8. Same question it is. You can check in your exercise like find Pythagoras triplet of a member 8. Now I think you understood how to solve it. Same, suppose they mention there, find the Pythagoras triplet whose smallest member is 8. Like that question will come, then how you will solve. In that condition, how you are going to solve? See here. Suppose you are writing here. It is written. Suppose I am solving. Now here, m square minus 1 is equal to 8. Now let us start. Then how much I will get here? What else? Let me, before introducing this, up to here I believe that it is everything is clear. Now suppose the square root already we have completed discussed in previous chapter. In our next chapter, that is cubes and cube root. Cubes and cube root. What are the common? That is your multiplication and division. Find the lowest number that should be multiplied to get a perfect cube, and second, find the lowest number that should be divided to get a perfect cube root. That question will come. How to find out? For example, see here, the number suppose it is given here 176. I am taking one number. Now what I will do the first stage? 176. I will take the prime factorization. Now see here 2. 2 how much I will get here? 2 8 is 16. 2 8 is 16. Next 244. Next 222. 2 11. After that 11 I can't solve because 11 is a prime number. Prime factorization we have made. Now 170 is how I can write, student? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Can I able to write it? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. There are 4 2's and 1 11. Now in this, as we are able to say, in square root we are making the pair of 2. In cube root we will make the pair of 3. 3. What is extra? What is the extra? I am able to observe here. That is here 2 into 11. Then you can say what is the minimum number that is required to multiply to get a perfect square, and what is the minimum number that is divided to get a perfect square. Both the answers are same. In both the conditions you should write, so 2 into 11 number is required to multiply to get a perfect square, and 2 into 11 the number is required to divide to get a perfect square. In both the conditions you will get the same answer. You will get a perfect cube. Means this is the answer. This is the answer. We can say smallest number required to get perfect square. Sorry, to get a perfect cube. So 2 into 11 in your question, and both the process you should write here. 2 into 11 that is required to get a perfect cube, and 2 into 11 that is required to get a perfect square also. Both the process are same. I hope that you understood it. If you have any doubt, then you can watch the video again, and if the doubt is remaining, then you can drop the doubt in my chat box. Thank you.